Boost your health with leafy greens. Low in calories, high in fiber, and great for digestion. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce are nature's nutritional powerhouses. Packed with vitamins, they fuel your body and keep your gut happy. Let's explore 3 simple ways to upgrade your meals with these superfoods. Start your day with a creamy spinach and avocado smoothie. Just blend spinach, ripe avocado, almond milk, chia seeds, and a banana for a delicious, nutrient-packed energy boost. It's quick, easy, and perfect for a busy morning while giving your body what it needs to thrive. Need a healthy side dish? Sauté kale with olive oil, egg and minced garlic, sliced tomato, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a savory kick. This flavorful dish comes together in minutes and is loaded with fiber and antioxidants to supercharge your meal. Swap processed carbs for crunchy lettuce wraps. Fill them with lean turkey, creamy hummus, and fresh cucumber slices for a light, satisfying lunch. These wraps are low-calorie, high in flavor, and perfect for healthy snacking on the go. Leafy greens are easy to use, delicious, and essential for a balanced diet. Try these recipes and transform your meals. Hit the save button and share this video with friends to inspire better eating habits, because great health begins with the right choices.